You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this magician, hero and trickster from Welsh mythology. If you want to learn more names from the tale and the Blodeuwedd story, make sure to stay tuned, including how to pronounce that name. So, pronounced in both Welsh and English, pronunciations are similar here as Gwydion, Gwydion. Some may pronounce it also as Gwydion, but it's more as Gwydion. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.